Hi, I'm David, and yesterday I was walking past a super cool sport car when I noticed something. It had 4 exhaust pipes. I stopped and said, wait, why does it need more than one pipe? Is it just trying to look fancy? So I put on my invisible science goggles and dived deep into car magic. Let me tell you what I found. Imagine your car engine like a giant fire-breathing dragon. When it burns fuel, it creates a ton of energy to move the car forward. But guess what? It also creates waste gases, like smoke from a campfire. Now, those gases need to get out of the engine fast, or the engine gets clogged up like a blocked nose. That's where the exhaust pipe comes in. It's like the car's nose blowing out all that extra air. But here's the twist. Some powerful engines, like V6, V8, or turbocharged ones, produce a lot of exhaust. It's like the dragon sneezing lava. One pipe isn't enough. So engineers give it 2, 3, even 4 pipes to let the gases escape quicker and smoother. More exhaust pipes equals better breathing for the engine. And when the engine breathes better, it performs better, faster, cooler, and smoother. Plus, let's be honest, it sounds awesome. Ever heard a car go vroom vroom with double exhausts? It's like music to a race fan's ears. So, next time you see a car with multiple exhaust pipes, just remember, it's not just showing off, it's breathing like a beast and running like a champ.